Hi, it's Kozue. Using the stamping plate kindly sent by Born Pretty, I'm doing nail art on my natural nails. The patterns were smaller and more delicate than I expected, perfect for creating a clean, elegant look. Let's get started. I'm wiping off any moisture and oil with ethanol. Since I might have a gel nail allergy, I'm using regular polish. It's not officially diagnosed, so I call it my self-proclaimed gel allergy. I'm gonna use Oli Bonder. The brush is really easy to use. Even after drying, the bonder stays slightly tacky, so chrome powder sticks nicely. For more details, check out the full video. I'm applying Playful number 10 milk tea to all my nails. I love the Playful series. Every polish has great color payoff, and it's easy to apply. The brush itself isn't my favorite, but the texture of the polish is amazing. It's smooth without being runny, so it stays right where you want it. It's giving full-on autumn vibes. It's still pretty hot here in Japan, but I decided to bring a touch of fall to my nails. Maybe the reason Playful goes on so smoothly is because the bonder is really gripping it well underneath. It doesn't streak easily, which is great. Honestly, it's full of good points, but the price makes it a little harder to toss into the cart without thinking. Still, I think it's worth the price. I'm gonna dry it for about 7 minutes. This is my second coat of Playful. Next, I'll be using a different polish color on my pinky. PA Wonder Nail 26. I picked this up at a discount shop. It's probably a lesser known brand of top coat. To me, it looks like the color of shimmered chestnut in syrup, rich, glossy, and warm. It contains fine iridescent pearl particles. It's got a nice sheer look, perfect for marble effects. I placed 2 small drops of Wonder Nail diagonally, then gently blended them out with top coat. Before putting the brush back into the bottle, I wiped off the tinted top coat on a silicone mat. Adding a second layer of Playful to my ring and middle fingers. On the index finger, I dabbed Wonder Nail diagonally and blended it out with top coat, just like I did on the pinky. I adjusted as I went, guiding the polish into any areas that looked a bit sparse. That's strange. The pinky turned out pretty well, but the index finger just isn't cooperating. Well, that's life. Time for a 7-minute YouTube break. To add more depth, and maybe to fix things a little, I'm redoing the marble design on the pinky and index finger. It's best not to use too much top coat when blending. I wipe off the excess polish on a silicone mat before applying. Yep, I really like how the marble effect turned out on the pinky. But the index finger didn't turn out quite the way I hoped. Kind of disappointing. Still, with marble nails, I think it's all about what feels right to you. So I'm calling this a win. Still, I couldn't quite let it go, so I'm trying a few small fixes. The middle finger felt a bit plain, so I'm adding this foil. Luckily, I had one that matches today's color. I should have toned it up before applying the polish. These kinds of steps always risk smudging wet polish. But this time, no accident. All good. I placed a gold bullion bead on the index finger and held it in place with top coat. Finally, here comes the stamping plate I showed at the beginning. It has a protective film, so make sure to peel it off before using. Stamping polish from Walmart in Hawaii. Now I'm gonna stamp smaller flowers. Born Pretty's No Smudge Top Coat Oil. I'm gonna dry it for 7 minutes. First round of top coat, I'm applying Paradu gel top coat to all my nails. Since the bottle's running low, I'm tilting it with blue tack to make it easier to use. I cut my nails really short not too long ago, but they've already grown this much. Time flies, and I've heard nails grow faster in summer too. Ultra high speed application. After letting the polish on my left hand dry a bit, I moved on to the right. I only filmed the stamping part. This is the one I'm stamping now. Stamping with my left hand. Maybe a bit shaky. I'm not sure what kind of flowers they are, but they are pretty, so that's good enough for me. Using the same design again, no plate cleaning this time. Stamping it onto the ring finger. Half a day has passed. Time for the second top coat, sèche vide. With this, all the nails are officially done. I'm using blue tack again to hold the bottle at an angle like this. Super speedy coat. Finished! I absolutely love how it turned out. It's a calm, age-appropriate look that feels just right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!